Alright, so Sue, say hi, cringing. We're watching the locust pop out. Here's another one. I've never seen it actually happening. But you might know, they're on a, I can't remember right now, 13-year or 7-year cycle, which helps them avoid predators because they can't predict when they'll be up, so they can't really migrate and go find a giant squad of them. Whoa, he's covered in ants. There's ants all over him. I wonder if they're cleaning or eating him. Which is the... Holy... This is crazy. I've never seen it actually happening. I can't... It's not focusing really well. He's like coming out backwards at the top. I don't know if you can see, there's ants all over him. I can't tell, does he look eaten? Are they helping him out, or are they messing with him? He looks pretty tired either way. I think he'll probably drop out of there, and then I'm sure his wings will dry and everything, but really cool going on. We're on the street in Mokdong. Yeah, as long as, if they're eating him, as long as they don't kill him before he hits the ground, he'll dry off quickly, and as soon as he flies, they'll be dropping like flies. I would help him out, but I don't want to A, rip something that's still connected, or B, cheapen his initial burst into freedom. So instead, I'll film this very private moment. Hey dude, keep kicking ass, you can do it. Do you have your camera? Do you have your camera? I'm going to split this video. I'm about to lose battery, so